Alright guys, I'm going to show you a floating egg experiment today. I have 3 glasses of fresh water here. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of salt water into 2 of the glasses and see what happens when I drop an egg into each one of the glasses. When you drop an egg, raw egg into fresh water, the egg doesn't displace enough water, making the egg more dense than the water around it. This creates unbalanced forces which sends the egg to the bottom of the cup. Density is the amount of mass something has per volume, and when you add more mass to the same volume, you change the density. When you add 4 tablespoons of salt to the water and stir, the salt crystals break down into molecules and fill in the holes in between the water molecules. The solution now has more mass in the same space, or volume, which increases the density of the water. When you add an egg to salt water, you displace the same amount of water, but this time the space has more molecules in it, or it weighs more. So the buoyancy of the egg increases enough in the salt water, allowing it to float in the second cup. After pouring out some of the salt water from the third cup, I'll place an egg in the solution and it should still float. I'll gently pour some fresh water on top of it. The less dense fresh water floats on top of the more dense salt water, and you create a density column of water. This allows the egg to be fully submerged in the water without touching the bottom of the cup. To make anything that doesn't float, you just have to increase or decrease the density of the liquid you want the object to float in.